welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. In today's video, we have something special in store for you. We will be unboxing and exploring the incredible CASIO G-SHOCK GG-B100-8A. Get ready for an up-close look at this exceptional timepiece and its impressive features. First things first, let's open the box and reveal what's inside. As we carefully unveil the packaging, you'll witness the sleek and stylish CASIO G-SHOCK come to life. We'll guide you through each step of the unboxing process, showcasing the attention to detail and craftsmanship that make this watch truly remarkable. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now that we have this CASIO G-SHOCK in front of us, let's delve into its specifications and discover what sets it apart. This timepiece features a rugged yet lightweight polymer material for both the strap and case, ensuring durability without compromising comfort. The use of carbon adds an extra layer of toughness, making it resistant to impacts and shocks. This CASIO G-SHOCK is equipped with mineral glass, providing excellent protection against scratches and maintaining a clear view of the digital display. Its robust construction ensures that it can withstand the challenges of your active lifestyle, while the low-temperature resistance feature allows it to perform flawlessly even in extreme weather conditions. One of the features of this CASIO G-SHOCK is its Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. By pairing it with your smartphone using the G-SHOCK Connected app, you can unlock a world of possibilities. From receiving notifications and alarms to accessing time zone information and weather updates, this connectivity enhances your overall experience with the watch. In terms of water resistance, this CASIO G-SHOCK can handle water pressure up to 20 bar, making it suitable for various water activities, including swimming and snorkeling. Dive into new adventures without worrying about damaging your timepiece. The phone finder function comes to the rescue when you misplace your phone. Simply activate it from your watch, and your phone will emit a signal, making it easy to locate. Say goodbye to the frustration of searching for your phone when it's right in front of you. This CASIO G-SHOCK also boasts the triple sensor version 3, offering a digital compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating your daily routine, these sensors provide valuable data to keep you informed and prepared for any situation. To adjust the date and time on this Casio, press and hold the adjust button located at the top left. Then change the modes with a single press of the mode button located at the bottom left until you reach the time and date. With world time functionality, automatic calendar, stopwatch, countdown timer, and step tracker, this CASIO G-SHOCK ensures you stay organized and on top of your tasks. Its 12/24-hour format and 5 alarms allow for customization based on your preferences and daily routine. The watch's display is equipped with illuminating features, ensuring excellent visibility in any lighting condition. No matter the time of day or night, you'll have no trouble reading the display and accessing its various functions. To summarize, this CASIO G-SHOCK is a true companion for the modern adventurer. With its durable construction, advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity and triple sensor version 3, and a range of practical functions, it combines style, functionality, and reliability in one impressive package. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of this CASIO G-SHOCK. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. We look forward to your continued support. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.